Imagine transforming your body in minutes a day. All the equipment you need in the space you have. One system, whole body, anywhere. If you train at home, you've seen the chaos. Every move needs its own piece of gear. Soon the room shrinks, furniture, and the gear gets in your way. And even with all that stuff, the workouts still feel half-finished. Meet Rowler, the all-in-one strength system built for real life. A modular two-piece design, Hypergun for upper body strength, Rowler Drive for lower body and core strength. Use them on their own or lock them together when you need full body power. The whole system replaces bulky home gym machines while taking up almost no space. Both pieces are metal built for durability. No bulky racks, no fragile adjustables, just engineered precision that's made to last. Connected, they form a single unit for moves you usually can't do at home. Shin blasters, deadlifts, front raises. Used separately, you get simple presses, curls, rows, slides, lunges, and core work. Hypergun fits standard weight plates, so your current setup still works. Rowler Drive works indoors, but it's built to move. It packs flat so you can take it outside when you want bigger space and bigger moves. Rowler isn't about more equipment, it's about freedom. A smart tool that makes your strength training seamless, whether you've got 10 minutes at home or a full session outdoors. Back now for early access and exclusive early bird pricing. Be the first to train smarter. Rowler. Less gear, more strength, anywhere.